Okay, class, this is Mrs. Burris, and I am at a meeting today, but I am going to show you how to create a PowerPoint through this video. So please pay attention and look at the screen, and then after I do it, then you can do it. So the first step is to find the PowerPoint icon on the screen, and it looks like this. It's got orange and it says Microsoft Office PowerPoint. So click on that to open it. And this is what you get on your screen. If you've got a couple of other boxes that pop up, just go ahead and click OK on both of those, and then you should get to this screen here. The first step you want to do is click inside this box and type your topic. I'm going to pretend like my topic is chimpanzees, of course, my favorite animal. And then down in this box, I need to type my name, my full name, my first and last name. Now, I've got my first slide done. So I would like you to do that as well. Now, once you get that done, you need to save it, but we want to save it with our name attached to it. So please watch up here on the screen, and you're going to go over here to this yellow button and click on that, and then choose Save As. It's right here. Go ahead and click on Save As. And then this is where it gets a little tricky, so I want you to really pay attention here. Over on the left-hand side, I want you to bring this gray bar down till you see computer and click on the word computer. Then you go to the middle section here and find where it says Emerson, and you're going to click on that. Do that right now. The next step is to find the library skills folder. So we need to choose this gray bar over here on the right side and bring it down. Click and drag it so it comes down till you see the library skills folder. You're going to click on the library skills folder, and then we have to find your class name, which is Lyon. So we need to find the Lyon folder, and we're going to click on that to open that up. So now if we look up here in our breadcrumbs, we can see that we're in the library skills folder, and specifically the Lyon folder. So make sure you see that. The next step you're going to want to do is change the file name. Right down here it says chimpanzees. I don't want it to say my topic, I want it to say my name. So I'm going to click on that, and it will highlight it for me, and I can type right over the top of that. I'm going to type my name, Mrs. Burris, in that box. And then I'm going to click Save. And now I know that it's saved because if I look right up here, it says Mrs. Burris, my name, and Microsoft PowerPoint. So I know that this is my PowerPoint. Now, the next step is to add another slide. So to do that, you go up over here to where it says New Slide, and make sure you click on the top part of that slide, not on the bottom part of the slide. So click at the top, and that will give you a new slide. And you'll need to type in a title or like a subtopic, kind of like, of what you're going to talk about. Let's say I'm going to talk about what foods the chimpanzee eats. So I'm going to type in foods. And then below here, I'm going to just list the foods that chimpanzees eat. And then I'm going to hit enter after each one, and that gives me these little black dots, which are called bullets. And the last thing they eat are insects. And then now I've got a list. Notice that I did not write sentences. That's one thing about PowerPoint, boys and girls, is it's really meant to be just written in single words or phrases, not complete sentences. So make sure you're just listing some things or listing a few phrases that go along with whatever your subtopic is. Now, I've created another slide. I want to make sure I save this. So I don't have to go back and save it as, because I've already saved it with my name attached. Now I just have to click this little blue square up here and click it, and that will save my next slide. And then I can go on and make another slide. So I'm going to click on that. I'm going to type in looks, because now I'm going to show or write down what the chimpanzee looks like. So it has brown fur, it has hands and feet, and it has like a human-like face. Now, are these complete sentences? No, they're just phrases, because that's the way we want to do it in a PowerPoint. Now, I'm going to save this slide because I just finished typing on that one, and that's so that I can save my whole PowerPoint that way. I'll click on my save button, and now it's saved. And I will continue to add new slides and type my information, and when I get all finished, or when time runs out in class, then I will save it one more time to make sure it's saved, and then I will X out of my screen over here. And that's how you create a PowerPoint. I hope you have a great day today, and I'll see you next week.